Let's face it, it's 2025 and yet nearly 1 in 4 businesses still don't have a proper website. Especially in industries like fitness, wellness, and beauty, where your digital presence should be doing the heavy lifting. But here's the thing, your audience doesn't just want a great website, they expect it. In this video, I am going to show you how two businesses completely transformed their online presence using Webflow and the incredible results they achieved. These aren't just redesigns, they're total game changers. Stick around, because if your website isn't working for your business, you're leaving serious money on the table.
But let's be practical for a second. Imagine there are two clothing businesses. One has 10k followers, a lot of post likes but no website. Other has 5k followers, great reviews on their website and offers product tracking with detailed product information. Which one would you prefer to shop from? The business with the website, right? That's how your target audience sees too. Now let me show you two case studies of businesses that completely transform their operations with Webflow websites. I am going to walk you through two fascinating case studies that demonstrate the true power of well-crafted website. These are not just any websites. These are kind of digital transformation that completely changed the game for businesses. First up, we have got Orange Theory Fitness and their incredible journey from a clunky, slow-loading website to a high-performing digital powerhouse. Then we will dive into LaserAway, a beauty and aesthetic brand that completely revamped its online presence to optimize conversions and generate massive returns. These stories are proof that with the right website, you can see the extraordinary results. Let's start with Orange Theory Fitness. For those of you who don't know, Orange Theory is a fitness franchise that's known for its science-backed workouts and intense cardio sessions. But despite their growing popularity, their website was struggling. It was not keeping up with their expansion and was costing them valuable opportunities. Their old website was slow, outdated, and hard to navigate. Definitely not the kind of experience you want potential customers eager to learn about your services. It was like walking into gym with no clear path to sign up or explore classes, which made it harder to convert visitors into actual clients. So they were turned to Webflow to a complete website overhaul, and the results were amazing. By redesigning the website, Orange Theory not only made it visually appealing but also optimized it for speed and functionality. It became a seamless experience from the moment someone visited, making it easy to explore classes, locations, and even book appointments online. As an impact, their site performance improved by 400%, and they saved $6 million annually just by reducing the cost associated with outdated web management. But the real magic happened when their customers had a much smoother, faster experience, which led to more signups and ultimately more revenue. Think about that. This was not just about making the site look nicer. It was about creating an environment that was easy to navigate, high performing, and fully functional. When your website works like that, your potential clients will want to stick around, learn more, and take action. This case study proves that a modern, fast, functional website is not luxury. It's essential for drives business growth in today's fast-paced digital world. Let's explore LaserAway, a company that's leading the way in aesthetic dermatology treatments, offering services like laser hair removal and botox. The problem with the LaserAway's old site was that while it looked good, it was not designed to convert visitors into paying customers. It was like beautiful brochure but lacked the functionality to turn the interest into action. They were getting lot of website traffic, but visitors were not taking the next step. They were not booking appointments or filling out contact forms. This is common issue for many businesses that focus too much on aesthetics, not enough on user experience and conversion optimization. LaserAway took a bold step and turned to Webflow for help. By integrating Webflow Optimize, they loop personalization and A/B testing for the next level. They were able to test over 2,600 different website variations. Yes, you heard right, 2,600. This allowed them to identify what was working and what was not. They could test everything from the headlines on their service pages to the images on their booking form. With this kind of testing, they were able to determine exactly what motivated visitors to convert into clients. For example, someone interested in laser hair removal would see the content that specially addressed their needs, like pricing, benefits, and testimonials related to the treatment. The site was customized to meet the unique interest of each visitor, which made it feel personal and relevant. The result, a 200x return on investment and 200% increase in conversions on core service pages. LaserAway's site became not just a place to browse, it became a lead generation machine, driving appointments and boosting revenue. This case study highlights the importance of website personalization personalization and optimization. It's not enough to just have a pretty website. Your website needs to be designed to move people along the buying journey, turning them from curious visitors into loyal customers. The best part is this was not just a quick fix. Laseraway's team continued to test and optimize, ensuring they were always one step ahead of their competition. So what do these two case studies in common? It's clear, both Orange Theory and Laseraway recognized that their website were not just informational tools. They were sales agencies that used Webflow to create fast, functional, and highly engaging websites that improved their customer experience, boosted conversions, and drove significant growth. So if you are looking to take your business to the next level, consider how your website is performing. Is it working for you? If not, it might be time for redesign or optimization. Whether you are fitness business or spa or a clinic, optimizing your website can lead to better results, more clients, and ultimately more revenue. If you are interested in learning more about how to improve your website or need help with your website redesign, feel free to reach out to me. I will be happy to help you to get started on the journey to a better website that works for your business. Link in the description.
If this video gave you some ideas or motivation to improve your website, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want me to review your site. And hey, if you are serious about leveling up your website, check out the link in the description. I'd love to help you build something that actually gets results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.